Yeah, what's up, man? What's up? What's up? What's going on, friends? What's going on, guys? Yeah, today let me just take it cool and talk about something very simple. I know you guys have missed my signal, you missed my analysis. Yes, sir. That's why I feel like, okay, let me just take today and do a little, just a little tip for my fans out there. Yes, sir. And I will tell you guys something that don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because all these signals you see out there, you see them going to my WhatsApp, all my social media. You see all these signals going to all my social media because, not every day I do this type of video on YouTube, but all my signals go to all my social media, especially WhatsApp. So everything is always under the description of my video. You try to check it out. Thank you. Okay, now I don't know how you think or how we think as Forex trader, but I will say, okay, Forex trader think in a different way based on what you want to do and what you see right in front of you. You have to understand the fact that the Forex price goes up and down. There is a big trend. Within the big trend, there are micro trends. Okay? I don't know. There is a big trend. Within the big trend, okay, there are micro trend. Look at down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and so it continues. So however you follow the price, you are not wrong. It only depends on what you want to do. You understand? This is why a lot of Forex traders, they lose their money anyhow, because they don't even know, they don't know what kind of trend they want to follow. Okay, now this brings me back into this type of thinking that, okay, how do you think? How do you play this game? Okay, I use this chart as a kind of example to say, okay, it depends on what you see in front of you. Okay, based on this analysis that I see here, this thing finally got here. This is the way I think it got here. Finally, it got here. Okay, and I see this being rejected from here. Okay, it's rejected from here. Nice. Okay, rejected from that zone. This is very nice. We've seen how it got here and how it became rejected right here. Okay, this moves. This is the move. All right, now let's see what is going to happen, how we want to think about this. Look, we've seen it breaking some micro high. Let's make this one a green color. It started breaking a micro high. Okay, it's creating and breaking micro high. Okay, it created this micro high, it broke it. All right. Okay, it created this micro high right here, it broke it and went back inside. Now it created this high here. You see, one message that the price will tell you is, it will tell you where it wants to go. This is what I said. If you can understand the message of the price, you will never have any problem in this Forex market. The price will tell you where it wants to go. Look, it's been creating high, telling you we are going up. Okay? Then it pierced it. It went back inside the box. What does this mean? Price is telling you that we are coming to break this high. Because why? We have been breaking micro highs. We have been creating and breaking micro highs. Okay? Then price has created this high, which means price is coming to break it. And what is your thinking as a trader is that, okay, man, I understand what is going on right now. When this pull back, I'm going to find my opportunity to get in. And where is my target? You know, the way we think, my target is going to be, you see, either this high that it has created, this one, this current high that it created here, and the old highs that it's rallying back. You see this? This is the way a Forex trader think. This is one kind of way that a Forex trader they think. You understand? You see, but one thing you gotta put at the back of your mind is that, okay, you know, because, you know, I've been trading for long, so looking at the chart like this, the way it is, you know, I can figure these things out. But, you know, a lot of traders, beginners traders, or some cannot see. Okay, it is until you begin to see. Cannot see. Okay, so if you cannot see properly the price, then you cannot get the message that the price is passing to you. The trend is your friend. The price is your friend. If the price does not move, the trend does not move. So the price is everything. If it's passing you a message that, look, I am going to go up. Look, I am going to go up. It started breaking ice and going, creating ice, coming back, breaking it, making pullback. And what message is that price telling you as a trader? That price is telling you the pure price action that, hey friend, I am going up. And if the price is going in a direction, it is facing that direction. If price is going up, it's going to face up. Look, price was going up here, it's facing up. And when price coming down, it's facing down. Okay, it will face where it wants to go. It's only you have to go get the message of how to read the price. I'm not saying how to read candlestick. I said how to read that price. If you can read that price, look, if you can read that price, your problem in Forex is 100% solved. Okay? The next thing is your own risk management. Okay? If you predict the price 100 times or 1 million times, every day you are predicting the price and you are making profit consistently, now you tell me, will you not climb or will you not be successful? You will, if you can follow and respect the message the price is passing to you. Finish. Look at what I just did with all this analysis. I did not paint the screen with anyhow indicators. This is a naked chart. Okay, it's a naked chart that I just look at it and I'm telling you this is what is going to happen. A lot of people, have heard them say nobody knows what is going to happen in the market. Nobody knows what is going to happen in the market. Look, I want to tell you that some people knows what will happen in the market, because I am telling you what will happen in the market before it ever happens. This is me sitting in front of my screen and telling you what price will do before it ever does it. If nobody knows what will happen in the market before it happens, then how are profitable profit? Because the best thing I know that for you to make profit and be profitable in the market is for you to be in there before that price ever moves, because you will always miss the move. That is it. Look, I have looked at the chart. I told you this is what the price will do, and I am not hiding. If you look at my screen, you see trades that are taken all the way from this bottom, which shows what I am not hiding. When I tell you, when I bring one video for you, you have to just go and believe it, because I am that type of trader who hide and want to see. I don't need to see anything. I don't need to see any proof, because my eyes have been trained to recognize what price wants to do. Okay, so I don't want this video to be long. I just give you guys a little tip on how to train your eyes, and I drop a tip for you, giving you this analysis. You like this trade, you take it. Lovely one. Expect my next video with one video that I'm gonna use to open your eyes. You understand? I'm gonna open your eyes with just one video. One of my videos that looks like this break all over YouTube and social media, because everybody watch it, they understand that that message is true. A lot of people who took that signal the way I put it in that video, all day so happy. I know those are the people who keep coming back to this channel. You understand? I'll tell traders, man, lovely and happy talking to you guys, and I feel, hey, don't get confused and don't get panic. Remember, my channel is Forex Strategy Factory, where we create and drop strategy. You understand? So don't be confused. We'll be dropping strategies for you guys. Thank you and God bless. Have a nice trading day.